As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. Shirt's already been flipped inside out. I've already marked it for the halfway point down the center line. So I'm going to flip it inside out. Not flip it inside out. I'm going to do the usual fold to put the arms inside each other and all of that. If you don't know how or why I'm doing this, there's a separate video linked in the description that gives the reasons behind it and a more detailed explanation as to how to do this in the easiest way. Okay, with that done, I need to draw a circle. The easiest way to do that is to take the sinew or some string, just tie the marker onto that. Alright, ignore these two. What I'm going to do is line this up roughly with the top of this and use the edge here as my center point. Oh, do that. Alright, I'm going to use that as my fold line. And we'll just go ahead and do an accordion up along this pattern. Alright, I'm going to use rubber band for this instead of sinew because I'm not looking for a white line to appear. And this will keep it tight enough. Go ahead and touch up these sides here, which shouldn't require a lot of work. Matter of fact, should be really quick. Don't even have to pause the video, or speed through this part or anything. There we go. Alright, do that. Do the same thing on this side. This is going to require a little more. So, I'm going to go ahead and mark this off. This probably should have been done a little better on this side. That'll probably be a complaint I have at the end, is that part of it doesn't match right. Okay, let's see what kind of length we're looking at. About 18 inches. So let's go every 3 inches. Alright, so I'm going to pick a side. That's the bottom. This is the sleeve, so I think I'm going to go from here. Alright, this one, I'm going to go down to this point, just draw a line here. And I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to freehand in a couple of others. And probably one more here. Let's go ahead and I'm splitting the difference here, which looks like it's about like that. And that would be probably about where that blue is right there. And touch this up by hand. Okay. So that's what we have laid out, and time to dye. Alright, for this we're going with Fire Red, Orange Crush, Daffodil, New Emerald Green, Brilliant Blue, and Amethyst. Alright, we'll let this sit, melt through. Then I'm probably just going to come back, layer it with soda ash, and do another round of ice. We'll see. Alright, so I did go ahead and add soda ash powder to it and then reapply the ice just to let it soak through the same side a second time. And it's been 24 hours, so let's do the washout. Alright. So I'll throw this in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alright, so here's the results of this one. There's a little whatever there, not sure how that happened. So, came out exactly like I expected it to. Not really anything else I have to say about this one. I'm very happy with the saturation. There's very little white in it where it is. It actually works well. All the colors bleed like they're supposed to. It looks good. So let me know what you think about this. And until next time, thanks for watching.